నాకు ఆ సపోర్ట్ దొరకలేదు నిజంగా. అండ్ హీ వాజ్ ద ఓన్లీ వన్ హూ సపోర్టెడ్ మీ త్రూ దిస్. అండ్ ఐ థింక్ I hope after this film people let me dub, directors have more faith. So I think thank you Anil garu for having faith in me.
That's so nice. And మీరు కూడా డబ్బింగ్ మీరే చెప్పారు కదండి, ఎలా అనిపించింది?
Actually, Krishna Gari Veer Prema Kadha nunchi when I started learning Telugu, na audition was in Telugu, and that time I asked Hanu sir that can I dub for it? I will learn, and then he said okay, we'll see, first you learn like that, we'll obviously and then movie went, and obviously the dialogues and all I still remember till today, but obviously akkada Rayalaseema accent and never happened. After that I never tried. After that I never thought. And tarvata this Honey character, because there was so much to perform and there was so much to do in this film, and I think the first day we were shooting for the college scene, my singing and dancing, and then I sang, and after that DOP Garu and Anil, so both of them, they couldn't stop laughing, and I again went. I took that
Opportunity.
I was like, sir, can I dub now? I said. And then DOP Garu looks at Anil and he said, you know what, we'll think about it. Okay, you started, it is just first day of the movie, you can't ask today. Then and when the movie went, and I think by the end of it in the middle, and so was like, you know what, this character I think nobody else can dub, only you can dub. So then I was like, okay, and then I had that thing always overconfidence already undi. So I was like, you know what,
Already
okay, now I should also do this. Honey is the best kada. So I was like, okay, I should do it. But I really have to thank na dubbing genius Venu Garu, how much he's worked hard on me and my accent, because Punjabi, so nakem telidu, and the pronunciation
నేను నేర్పించేస్తాను దగ్గరుండి.
Yeah. So really like he's really helped me a lot.
Yeah, I think I have to mention Venu garu too. I think they're very very patient with me also.
Extremely patient. I felt like Malli ABC I was learning in LKG.
కొత్త భాష నేర్చుకుంటే అలాగే అనిపిస్తుంది.
It felt like that, and I actually feel there's so much contentment in this film, because they say that you act is okay, but then you dub, they say you become a real actor. They say so. Complete actor. So I feel that okay, at least in a first film as a complete actor. That I have
celebration time.
I think probably in Raja the Great he gave me a very depressed character who wanted to always commit suicide and take her life. So then probably in that he saw this off screen, this Honey Marine. So probably I don't know.
That's also one reason actually. So I saw her while Journey of Raja the Great, and she had that she can think herself she's a superstar of Hollywood. Okay. Okay, that is the characterization. That is the best.
She is the honey for Tollywood now.
Yeah.
She's honey for Tollywood, yeah.
See, that attitude gave her one characterization to perform. So that's the nice thing.
అసలు that's nice, fantastic. కదా. And రాజేంద్ర ప్రసాద్ గారు అన్నది